Hello, I'm Yusuke Ueno, International Marketing Manager for TOA Corporation. Please let me quickly show you the LED indication function of AM-CF1. So AM-CF1 has three different functions of the LED indications. The first one is the volume level of the speaker, and second one is the mute status of the microphone, and third one is the voice tracking status. The first one, the speaker volume status. So volume down and up. So you can see the volume status with the 7 LEDs like this. And second function is the mute status. So muted and unmuted. Okay. The last one is the voice tracking status. So if I talk here, hello, 1 2 1 2, LED is here, so it tracks me. And if I talk here, hello, 1 2 1 2, LED is coming this side, so it's tracking me, okay? And if I talk softly, hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2, hello, 1 2, the LED is very small. Hello, 1 2 1 2. If I talk loudly, it brights pretty light, okay? And all of these LED indications can be disabled on the browser setting, so it's your choice. Thank you.